Okay, so off camera, I put the carb back on and hooked up the wiring harness. I spliced in a new piece of fuel line with a lawnmower fuel filter, and I blocked up about as many of the vacuum lines as I could. Here's my pile of hoses right here and vacuum solenoids and junk that I just ripped off. I don't need them. I hope I don't, because they're off now and I doubt they're going back on. This is just very loosely put together. This is the return line, which needs to be extended, or a new line gets to go in there. This just goes down to the manifold. I think that's right. I'm probably going to end up tracing vacuum leaks once it gets started and once it gets running, hopefully. These duty solenoids, they are all unhooked. Power steering pump's back on. That's about it. Okay, I'm gonna hook up a battery and see if this thing runs. So we got the battery in. It's way too big for this car, but whatever. I've already checked to see that the engine spins over. It does, it's got spark. I already trickled a little bit of fuel down there. It did pop off, that was a while back. And I trickled a little bit of ATF down the throat of the carb. So it's been sitting for a couple months. The cylinders are nice and lubed up. The fuel pump actually still does work. It's an electric fuel pump, so I'm gonna see if I get fuel to the little plastic fuel filter I put in. Okay, so I had to put a clamp on the fuel line because the fuel is leaking, but it is going through the plastic fuel filter. The pump does have enough strength, so we're gonna see if it's gonna start up. Oh shit. Give it some gas. Oh my god. Don't know if it's gonna stay running though. For some reason the radio just came on. Is it gonna stay running? No. Okay. Let's see if I can try to figure out how to keep it stay running. Okay, she's running and she's idling. Power steering pump is screaming. I need to get fluid for that. But idling. Smoke's clearing up. See if we can get this thing to move. Stalled it out. Oh, we're moving. Oh! Okay, we moved. I'm gonna see if I can take this thing around the block now. Don't die on me. Close the choke a little bit. Okay, so there were about 10 minutes where it wouldn't start. Now it's actually running pretty nice. I think it's just going through old gas, but it moves, it stops, and it has brakes. The muffler's blown out, but it sounds pretty freaking badass.